Hi, welcome to WP Chief. Before we start, make sure you have a current backup of your website. If you want to learn how to do that, click on the link in the description below. With that out of the way, here's how to update WordPress. Nowadays, the standard setting for WordPress sites is to be updated automatically. This is good in that it ensures that most WordPress websites do get the important security updates, but bad in that you won't be able to do a manual backup before you run the update. If you have automatic updates activated, you won't have to do anything. If not, then you will at some point see a notification on your dashboard like the one here. After you have made sure you have a current backup, click on Please Update Now or on Updates in the black menu bar on the left. You'll get to a page with an overview over all updates that are due. Click on Update to version 30 and the WordPress update will start. Make sure you don't click anything until it's finished. During the update, you'll see status updates. Again, don't click or do anything and wait until it's finished. This shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes depending on how quick your server is, usually it's less than 1 minute. Once finished, you'll see a welcome screen that introduces all updates shipped with the new WordPress version. Now everything is up to date again and you can continue with work on your website. If something went wrong, restore your most current WordPress backup, contact hosting support or your WordPress developer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and check out our other videos.